In this video, I will show you how you can add another email account to your Gmail app. In the Gmail app, you can add another Gmail account, a non-Gmail account like Outlook, iCloud or Yahoo. You can add up to 5 email addresses to your Gmail account. On your browser, you can also add another email account. Let's learn how to add another email account. Here is something important to know. In the Gmail app, you can add accounts like Exchange and Post Office Protocol POP. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Gmail app. At the top right corner, you will find the profile picture. Tap on your profile picture and then tap Add Another Account. Select the type of account you want to add and then follow the on-screen steps. Here are some quick tips for you. To add Gmail feature like spam protection and email categories to your account, link the account with Gmailify. If you want to know what is Gmailify, comment below and I will make another separate video for this. Or school emails through Outlook for Windows, tap Outlook, Hotmail and Live. If you can't find your email provider, tap others. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Please give a like to this video and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.